Hello everyone, thank you for joining me here at the Dometic Leisure Kingdom in Hilton Derby. My name's Tom and today I'm showing you around this brand new 2024 model Elddis Autoquest Cv20. It's a 2.2, 140 brake horsepower manual and yeah, what I'm going to be doing is showing you around some of the bits and features. So it's the 5.99 length, so a nice compact van conversion. So yeah, we'll move around. So you've got the alloy wheels, obviously on all four of the corners. It's in the nice white colour as well, which goes well with the decals going down the side of the van. Just round to this side, you can see you've got your onboard gas tank. So it's no gas bottles on this, it's the refillable gas that you've got underslung tank on board. Toilet cassette is this side as well. You've got your fresh and your wastewater drain off down there. Freshwater fill is here. And your main hookup point is just here as well. So everything's on one side, which is nice. TV aerial is just on the top, so you can see the TV aerial is just at the top there as well. Nice blacked out privacy windows, so they are tinted a bit, so it gives you a little bit of privacy. And then here is in the rear doors, so you can access storage underneath. Yeah. Obviously jump in and out here as well, but I'll show you more of that as we get on the inside. There's the door. The reversing camera is just there as well, so it gives you a helping hand reversing the van. Dometic wide out awning just at the top there as well. You've also got an awning light just below that little strip light just there, and then you have got an electronic step that goes in and out by the push of a button just there. Fly screen, so the fly screen comes all the way across to keep the little midges out. Yep. And we'll jump on in first. So captain's chairs do spin round, and then you've got in the cab, obviously a radio screen just there, nice size monitor there, heating controls, your aircon, heated mirrors, central locking and stuff, all your 12 volt USB points around there, cup holders, little cuppy holes, glove box at the top does act as a cool box as well when you've got your aircon on. Yeah. And then all the steering wheel controls, cruise controls there as well, and then you've obviously got the nice fly screens that come either side. And on the doors as well. So the door behind me and the passenger door, fly screens, just press. Sorry, not fly screen, cab blinds. Meet in the middle. Super. Wonderful, perfect for the night time. Yep. Freestanding table is just tucked away down there, so it doesn't take up any storage, which is nice. You've got storage at the top as well. Yeah. 12 volt compressor fridge. Below your fridge as well, you've got your wardrobe space. So a massive amount of space just in there. Kitchen area, so we've got, let's turn some lights on. We've got your sink, 3 burner gas hob, yep. And then the worktop extension just at the side there as well. Your oven and grill just below there, loads of storage below it as well, storage here, and then you've got drawers, you've got 4 drawers down here as well, for all your storage and bits in your kitchen. Directly opposite the kitchen we've got your washroom. So nice size washroom, shower head comes out of the sink, yep. Obviously toilet and stuff's in there as well. Okay. Microwave, so more cooking options. You've got your microwave just there, storage to the right of your microwave as well with your plate rack just in there as well. And then carrying on moving down, you've got all the overhead lockers, almost like a plane. So you've got your, like I say, you've got your TV aerial box just there, more storage in there. And all the way along the side as well, look. So loads of storage, and you're not going to be short for storage in here. 2 bench seats, so you can use them as singles, or it does make up into a double bed as well. No infills required. You just use these cushions to make the bed up. TV point, so you've got a TV bracket on the wall just there, and then you can lift these storage cupboards up, or they do press just there and there, and it drops down, and that's where you can access your leisure battery and loads of storage this side. Okay. Same with the other side, just pure storage. Perfect, okay. Wonderful. So this van is on show, and it will be on show when this video ends. So if you have enjoyed it, if you want to come and view the CV20, ring up, ask for Tom, and I'll happily show you around it.